How to use Facebook on phone for beginners. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first time when you open up your Facebook, you will see this. Now this may look like super empty for you, or you might already see a couple posts on your feed. I don't actually know, to be honest, but here it is. So at the bottom you have about 6 sections. So here you have the news feeds, your friends, the marketplace, groups, your notifications, and the menu. And so first we're going to start in the news feed, and here you can see all the news that of people you follow and ads and stuff like that. And you can just scroll through this and see all that. At the top you can also do like a quick message, go live, add a photo, or make a room. And here you have your friends. You can add new people, or see your friends in general. Here's the marketplace. Groups, you can also create groups if you want to, or join groups actually. So you can do all of that here. And here's your notifications. You can see like your likes and stuff like that. Here in the menu, it's like a sort of like detailed overview of what I've just gone over. So you can see more here. Also your memories, pages, what you've saved, events, jobs, stuff like that. Here in the settings and privacy, you can also open up the settings. So that's kind of like the basic layout. Now to actually change your profile or add or make a post, you want to click on your profile picture like right there, and then you want to click on the pen tool icon, and here you can add a profile picture, a cover photo, a bio, more details, hobbies, featured, and your links. So you can do all of that here. Then you can also add something to your story here, and if you scroll a bit down here, you can see posts. So it says what's on your mind. You can type in something like hello, for example. You have these cool like little sort of like filters, I guess. And you can do that, or you can just remove this and type it again, or like whatever. And here where it says add to your post, you also have like a like above your keyword, you also have a like photos icon, a tag icon, smiley, and like a location icon. So you can add all of that to your post as well, and then just post it, for example. So once it's posted, it will look like this. So then you can also like it, or let other people like it. People can comment it here, and people can also send it via Messenger. So that is another thing of Facebook. It's Facebook Messenger. That's a way you can like have DMs, like messages with others, like on Twitter or Instagram and stuff like that. So if you want to go there, you can click on the top right corner. And if you don't have the app, I don't know what actually happens. Maybe you do have to download the Messenger app before you can actually use it. But this is how the Messenger app looks like. And you can here send messages to people. And that's kind of it, to be really honest. I think the rest is just mainly like figuring out yourself, like what you want to do, because I'm not going to go over like how to create a group or how to create a page, because that's just going to take too long. You can just go to groups yourself and, for example, click on create, and it's pretty straightforward, to be honest. You could just add a name, privacy settings, and you can just continue from there. So that's kind of it. That's how to use Facebook on phone for beginners. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.